Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, January 24, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. Is the coffee machine working today?
Good morning, David. Yes, it is working, but it is very slow.
Oh, great. I need coffee right now. I am very sleepy.
Me too. It is a busy week. How are you today?
I am okay. Just a little tired. I have a meeting with a client in 1 hour.
Is it a new client?
Yes, a new company. They want to buy our software. I hope they sign the contract.
Good luck. You are good at sales. I am sure they will sign.
Thanks, Alex. And you? How is your project going?
It is going well. We are in the final phase. But there is a lot of data to check.
You love data. That is perfect for you.
I do like data, but sometimes it is boring. I need a break.
We all need a break. I was thinking about my vacation this morning.
Oh, really? Where do you want to go?
I want to go to a beach. Maybe in Thailand or Mexico. I want to work from there with my laptop.
That sounds nice. But did you see the news in the Wall Street Journal this week?
No, I did not. I only look at sports news usually. What does it say?
It is about people like you. People who want to work from other countries.
Really? Is it bad news?
It is interesting. The article is from January 21, 2026. It is called the Global Nomad Tax.
A tax? Oh no, I hate taxes. What is it exactly?
The G20 countries made a new agreement. If you work in a foreign country for more than 3 months, you must pay a tax.
How much is the tax?
It is a flat tax of 15%. It is for digital nomads.
15%? That is a lot of money. Why are they doing this?
They say it is to stop tax evasion. Many people work in cheap countries but earn dollars or euros. They do not pay taxes in the local country.
I understand. But it is expensive for me. So if I go to Mexico for 4 months, I pay 15% extra?
Exactly. The article says it starts next year. Many remote workers are angry.
I am angry too. That ruins my plan. I need to sell more software to pay for that?
Or you can stay for only 2 months. Then it is free.
That is a good idea. You are very smart, Alex. You always find a solution.
I try my best. It is an economic problem, but also a political one.
Yes, politics and money. It is always complicated. Speaking of complicated, did you see my new glasses?
No, are they new?
No, I am joking. But I want to buy those new smart glasses. The ones with the camera and the screen.
Oh, be careful with that. There is a big controversy about smart glasses this week.
Really? Why? Is the technology bad?
No, the technology is good. But schools are worried. I read an article in USA Today yesterday, January 22, 2026.
What is the title?
It is called the Smart Glasses Classroom Ban.
A ban? So students cannot use them?
That is correct. The government says schools can ban smart glasses completely.
Why? Is it because they are expensive?
No, it is because of cheating. Students use the glasses to see answers on the internet during exams.
I see. That makes sense. When I was in school, we used paper to cheat.
Me too, but this is different. Also, the article says privacy is a problem. Students record teachers and other students without permission.
That is not good. Privacy is important. So, are the parents happy?
No, actually. The parents are angry. They want to track their children. The glasses have GPS.
So the parents want safety, but the teachers want attention.
Exactly. It is a big fight. The article says 60% of schools will ban them next month.
Wow, 60% is a high number. Technology is moving too fast.
I agree. It is hard to control. In my project, we use AI, and it changes every day.
I know. Sometimes I want to go back to the past. No smart glasses, no digital nomad tax.
Life was simpler then, but we have good coffee now.
That is true. This coffee is, well, it is okay. It is not great.
It is office coffee. It is fuel, not a drink.
You were right. Hey, speaking of schools and parents, I heard something else on the radio.
What did you hear?
Something about the school schedule. Do you know about it?
Oh, yes. I read about that in the New York Times. It was on January 20, 2026.
Yes, that is the one. What is it about exactly?
The headline is the 4-day school week.
4 days? That sounds amazing. Kids are lucky.
Well, the teachers are happy. The union says teachers are very tired. They have burnout.
I have burnout too. Can I have a 4-day work week?
Maybe in the future. But for schools, it is a serious proposal. They want to close schools on Fridays.
So, school is only Monday to Thursday?
Yes, but the days are longer. School finishes at 5 p.m., not 3 p.m.
That seems okay. What is the problem?
The problem is childcare. Parents work on Fridays. Who watches the children?
Oh, right. I did not think about that. If the parents are at the office, the kids are alone.
Exactly. The article says childcare costs will go up by 20% for families.
20%? Everything is getting more expensive. The nomad tax is 15%. Childcare is 20%.
It is a difficult situation. The article says society is not ready for this change.
But the teachers need rest. It is a hard job.
I agree. My sister is a teacher. She is always exhausted.
Maybe the companies need to change too. If schools are 4 days, offices should be 4 days.
That is a logical thought. But my boss does not like that idea.
My boss neither. He wants me to work 6 days, not 4.
Sales never stops, right?
Never. Money never sleeps, but I need to sleep.
So, we have 3 big stories this week. Taxes for travelers, bans on glasses, and short weeks for schools.
It is a crazy world, Alex. Everything is changing.
Yes, it is. But we just keep working.
And drinking coffee.
Is your coffee finished?
Yes, it is empty. And look at the time.
Oh, wow. It is 9:15 already?
I must go. My client is waiting for the call.
And I have a team meeting in 10 minutes. We need to review the budget.
Good luck with the budget. Do not make any mistakes.
I never make mistakes, David. I am a project manager.
You were right. You're perfect. Have a good meeting, Alex.
You too, David. Sell a lot of software.
I will try. See you at lunch.
Maybe, if I finish my work. See you later.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.